Hey, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. I'm about ready to show you how you can, in Google Docs, type an Enye character and other extended characters. And before I show you how to do this, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button because I create a lot of content and I'm creating it just for you. So Enye is it's an N with a I call it there's a name for it. I can't remember a name for it, but it's got a curly line over top of it, and it looks like this. I'm on a Mac, so I'm using an Apple computer. So when I hit the N and just hold the N, you can see down the bottom left-hand corner in Google Docs it says you have 1 to do this N and a 2 to do the other N with an accent. So I hit a 1, and look, it does an Enye. Make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. And that's a lowercase Enye. Now, how do I do an uppercase Enye on a Mac? Oh, I didn't want an uppercase. How do I do an uppercase? I hold the shift key and hit the N and hold the N. And then again, bottom left-hand corner, I hit a 1 or click on that, and it does an uppercase Enye. On a Mac, it's pretty easy. Pretty much any character you do, if you hold the A, it'll bring up all the options in the bottom left-hand corner in Google Docs. And I can choose any type of character I want. Typically referred to as extended character. Now, on a PC, it's a little bit different. On a PC, you have to use ALTCodes because I don't believe the PC keyboards will allow you to do that. When I used the PC a few years ago, here's a document I found with ALTCodes. It's on a website called ALTCode Unicode. And it's free because they advertise all over it. But you can see here are all the characters here. So there's Control Alt 0, and you can see these are all the different characters. I think it's Alt 64, Alt 65. Let me see. There it is. Alt 164 is the lowercase Enye, and Alt 165 is the uppercase Enye. I'm gonna put this link to this document in the YouTube video and in the Quora answer. So the way these alt codes work is you hold the alternate key on a PC and you press the numeric keypad. And I'm pretty sure it's got to be the numeric keypad. It doesn't work with the, it's definitely got to be the numeric keypad. So hold the alt key down and then type in 17 or type in 87 or type in 1, go back to 164, 165 to get the Enye uppercase or lowercase. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.